In this video, I'll detail how to enable one-handed mode on Android phone. So with your Android phone one-handed mode, you can conveniently use your Android phone, control it without using your second hand. So here basically you're going to learn how you can easily turn on one-handed mode on your Android phone. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing to do when you want to enable single-handed mode on Android phone is go to your Android phone settings. While on the settings page, scroll down and click on additional settings or additional features depending on your Android phone. Then once you click on that, just scroll down under gesture shortcuts, locate one-handed mode and click on that. Now once you selected one-handed mode, locate one-handed mode and turn that on. Then that is it. This is going to turn on one-handed mode on your Android phone. So when next you want to use a Android phone, you can easily start using it using your single hand on your Android phone. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.